The EU and the US would impose sanctions for sure. If those end up including everyday goods, Russia might find itself in a problem, as it exports almost half of its goods to the EU. Exports to the US are fairly small. When it comes to imports, things are not much different, so all that trade being cut off would be a hugely negative event for Russia, though the EU would also be somewhat impacted. The EU imports some 100 billion euros worth of goods from Russia annually, while it exports some 8-ish billion euros worth of goods. The US itself is very little dependent on trade with Russia. Under 1% of US exports and imports are Russia-related. Russia itself is a bit more dependent on the US, but not by much, with imports from the US accounting for some 5% of Russia's total imports. On average, the EU imports a huge amount of crude oil, natural gas and coal from Russia. Two areas would be hit the most: electricity generation and heating. Winter months will make the EU's problems worse for both, but especially for heating.